Today I've got a little unboxing for you, and this is going to be a base for the Echo Show 8 and 11. Now you can only imagine what's going to be coming on the next video. So let's take a look at the base and see how it is, see how the unboxing goes. Super easy. Got some weight to it. It's got a little rubber on the bottom so it's not gonna slip around at all, especially on a granite countertop. Some instructions in here. Not sure what the instructions say. Pretty simple. It's magnetic, so when you put your device in here, it's just going to stick to it. Now I'm going to leave this little cover on here for now, but as you can see, it's going to go clunk and stick, and that's as simple as it gets. That is the unboxing of the Echo Show 8 and 11 base. It's really nice. It's a nice aluminum. It's got a solid feel to it. And it tells you on the sticker here what and what not to do. How to put it on and how not to put it on. So it's pretty foolproof. Again, that's the Echo Show 8 and 11 adjustable stand. Thanks for watching.